relationship. They say it's hard to truly understand all of the obstacles involved when leaving an abuser. For instance, it could mean changing your phone number, getting a different car, even moving. Difficult steps to take, especially when isolated by an abuser.
I am 100% prepared to protect myself and not rely on a legal system anymore because I do not feel protected by them.
All of them want to stress that it is possible to get out of a domestic violence relationship, but heading through the court system afterwards is another challenge in itself.
And that's why we went to speak with members of the Colorado District Attorney's Council to find out why these cases are so hard, both from the plaintiff's point of view and for the prosecution. Colette Bordelon live for us tonight at the El Paso County Courthouse. And Colette, you learned that sexual assault cases inherently some of the most difficult to turn a conviction.
It's obvious for prosecutors they need more support on those sexual assault cases, whether it be a lack of physical evidence or witnesses, and not to mention the emotional toll of a victim coming forward and sharing their story. But those I talked with say it's only more reason to make sure victims are believed and their cases get justice.
This is Jessica Daughter, a prosecutor working on a presentation for other prosecutors.
Utilizing trauma experts in sexual assault and domestic violence cases.
She's the Sexual Assault Resource Prosecutor. That's a position created around 4 years ago at the Colorado District Attorney's Council.
Sexual assault is so prevalent and yet so underreported and so underconvicted.
She can help prosecutors from all over the state on their sexual assault cases.
There are issues such as a lack of physical evidence, a lack of witnesses, emotional and trauma responses that might result in victims acting differently than one might expect.
Saying most of society doesn't understand the complexities of such a crime.
Victims obviously feeling distrust of the system, feeling a lack of support and a lack of belief.
Daughter says there's a huge crossover between sexual assault and domestic violence.
Violence against women is a public health crisis, and it was made worse by the pandemic because people were especially isolated.
Linda Johnston heads the Ending Violence Against Women program for the council. It's a team traveling throughout Colorado to give free training on domestic violence to the different disciplines who would respond to a victim.
People often tend to minimize the conduct of the person who's abusive, or they shift the blame to the person who's being abused.
On her desk is a report from the Domestic Violence Fatality Review Board. 2019 numbers show there were at least 60 incidents in Colorado where domestic violence ended in a death, and 70 people died in total. Of those, the majority were the primary victim of the violence, with the perpetrators making up the second largest category.
There is no excuse for abuse.
Making sure victims are heard and believed. It's what both women say means they've done their job.
The penalty and what the justice system can ultimately provide never matches the harm that is done to the victim.
Saying the criminal justice system may not be the final step towards healing, but can be one along the way.
If you're looking for resources to escape intimate partner violence, you can go to violencefreecolorado.org, where you can find a county-by-county interactive map that shows you what resources are available in your area. But if you need help right now, call 911 or the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 800-799-7233. Reporting in Colorado.